Are you tired of your floor scrubbers having a short lifespan? Are you tired of having a hard time sourcing parts or finding someone to even service your machine? Are you tired of your machine having a subpar warranty? What seemed like an inexpensive floor scrubber has now turned into an expensive endeavor. Today, I want to talk about Kodiak brand floor scrubbers. Kodiak floor scrubbers are built off a steel frame that has bolted into not only your pad deck, but your transaxle and wheels, your squeegee linkage, and it supports the weight of also your batteries and your water tanks. This machine particularly that I want to talk about today is the K12. The K12, this version of it, has a 20-inch pad. And so this version, in theory, fully charged, can clean up to 40,000 square feet on one charge, 20,000 feet per hour. It has a 12-gallon tank for putting out your water, and it has a 15-gallon tank for the water it picks up. This machine does what you would need a floor scrubber to do, which is to put down your cleaning solution, scrub that floor, and then pick it up. I do want to talk about the ease of operation for this machine. And so it's really basic on this machine when you are ready to use it. On the side here, you have the ignition, the key. We'll turn it on, power it on, watch the battery, we're at a full charge. I'm going to drop the squeegee. Then I'm going to drop the pad deck. I am going to turn over the pad. Going to turn on the water next. And then last, I'm going to turn on the vacuum. Now you're ready to floor scrub. This machine is a pad assist machine. So just pressure of the pad helps pull the machine as we go. And by the way, to control your water output right here, you have a lever. And that's pretty much all you need to know as far as operating the machine. So one thing I love about Kodiak machines is the precautions that they take to protect the vac motors from intaking moisture. That is a big cause with floor scrubbers, is moisture getting into the vacuum, causing your machine to be inactive until you can get it serviced. So just to kind of go over what they do to protect it, they've got 5 barriers in place to help protect it. The first one is it has what is called a intake curtain here. It's just a rubber intake curtain, and what that does is that kind of helps protect with the splatter as your machine is picking up your solutions. Then inside, which you cannot see, it has a shield to protect the vacuum. And then right here, it has a stainless back screen ball float to help, along with a white mesh filter and a stainless steel screen as well. Again, it's just one of the many features that I love about Kodiak and what they do to extend the life of these machines. Now, if you do have that moisture get past those 5 barriers, then you have a little drain hose that is right below the vacuum. That way you will be notified that it is getting water. That way you can immediately turn the machine off and call us for service. So I do want to show on these machines how easy they are to work on and access all your internal components. So you have just a single latch here. Just tilt the machine to its side. As you can see, we have AGM batteries in here, which are maintenance-free batteries, no distilled water required. And of course, you can access the vac motor as well. So one thing I love about Kodiak is how easy they are to work on. So I do want to finish up. You do get a 3-year warranty with these machines here. These floor scrubbers are built here in the USA. All your parts will come from Racine, Wisconsin. And here at Cougar Chemical, we are an authorized dealer. So please give us a call for a free site survey or a demonstration of the full Kodiak line of floor scrubbers. Thank you.